Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of February 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.81. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned near the upper range of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a solid selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $4.88 may initially suggest a slower rate of decline and could signal the beginning of a shift in the trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately negative 6.55% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 23.07% to negative 3.32%. In the context of a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around negative 6.01%. According to our calculations, the performance of the stock could fluctuate between negative 31.96% and positive 40.03% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.21 and $6.61. Our latest daily update for NIO highlights a strong performance, with the stock price increasing by 10.54% on Wednesday, reaching $4.72. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, NIO stock price rose from $4.27 to $4.72. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.92%, hitting a low of $4.37 and a high of $4.76. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 15.12% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw an uptick, with 72 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 121 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $570,320,000. Looking back over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $7.70 and a lowest price of $3.61. Currently, the price sits 38.7%, or $2.98, below the 52-week high, and 92.95%, or $62.27, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is anticipated to deliver a significant earnings surprise in its upcoming financial results, generating optimism among investors. Currently, NIO's stock price is under pressure, recently trading at $4.50, reflecting a decline from earlier highs this month. Market sentiment is focused on the forthcoming earnings, which could reveal key insights into performance and help stabilize the stock price. Analysts predict a potential resurgence for NIO, highlighting a possible 75% price increase throughout the year 2025, as investors remain cautiously optimistic about the company's trajectory. However, the stock has historically struggled, down 26% over the last year and 93% from its peak in 2021, which underscores the uncertainty surrounding its recovery. Adding to this pressure, competitive developments such as BYD's new advancements in self-driving technology may challenge NIO, impacting its market position and pricing strategy. Nonetheless, the heightened interest in NIO suggests that investors are eager for a turnaround, and depending on the earnings report, there could be a marked shift in sentiment that may influence the stock's short and long-term performance. If the results exceed expectations, a rebound in the stock could be expected, while disappointing outcomes could further dampen investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On that same date, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, as well as the price-to-book ratio. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. There are predominantly positive signals in the chart today. The NIO stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $4.42 and $4.30. A decline below either of these points would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 16.26%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.44 and $4.36. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $4.44. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.36 and $4.32. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved 390 cents, or 8.92%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.71%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 4th of March 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 420 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.44. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.55, reflecting a decrease of 3.66%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are looking positive. Even though the stock is currently on a downward trend, we believe that this level might represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We've updated our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation, moving it from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of February, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 10 cents and begin trading at $4.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.